Hey guys, I'm about to show you a quick ab workout you can do 3 days a week to get really popping abs. What's up guys, Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com, and I'm about to show you a quick ab routine that you can do. I'm gonna give you 2 different groups of exercises, all right? We're gonna do a tricep, rest 60 seconds, do your second set, and then go into your second tricep of 3 exercises and rest 60 seconds and do that one again. I'm gonna take you through one of each to show you how to do these exercises correctly, but it's gonna be a quick workout that you can do every other day to get amazing looking abs and a really strong core. All right, that being said, let's get into these exercises. First 2 we're gonna do are a version of a reverse crunch. All right, we're gonna do a partial reverse crunch to get started. Typically, what you're gonna do with this, you wanna make sure your lower back is pressed down against the ground, and you're gonna bring your knees into your chest, all right? You can keep your hands out for support, and you're gonna do 10 reps. So I like to get started here. It's not a completely full range of motion, but it's something that I'm gonna use to help activate your abs, all right? You're gonna get them activated, knees, chest, 1, 2, 3. Again, you're gonna do 10 of these. Three more. You're gonna go straight in here, straight from here into a full extension reverse crunch. So basically you're getting your legs as far out from your body as possible, and you're gonna bring your knees back into your chest. Key point when you're doing these, a lot of times when you're getting that full extension with your legs, people tend to arch their lower back, all right? And that's gonna place more stress on your lower back. So just make sure you're focused on keeping your lower back down. Full extension, full crunch. Full extension, crunch. 5 more. 2. That full extension is actually adding resistance as well, so it'll help grow your abs too. 1 more. All right, you're gonna go from here into your third exercise in the tricep, which is a hanging knee raise. Full stretch at the bottom. You wanna make sure you're really opening up your abs, and you're gonna bring your knees to your chest. So make sure you're rotating that pelvis, getting your pelvis closer to the sternum at the top. 10 here as well. Four more. One more. 4. Okay, that's your first set. What you're gonna wanna do now, rest 60 seconds, and then you'll do this again for a second set, all right? All you need to do is 2 sets, but make sure you get your 60 seconds rest and then get into your second. After you've rested and done twice, here are 2 sets. You're gonna rest another 60 seconds and then get into your second tricep. First exercise we're gonna do with the tricep is a weighted crunch. All right? Weighted crunch here. Take whatever weight you need. Key here is focusing on the upper abs. Once again, since you're lying on the ground, make sure your lower back pressed into the ground and contract. Nice stretch, nice contraction. Good breathing. 5 more. 2. 3. Really focus on that mind-muscle connection. Make sure your abs are contracting at the top of every rep. 5. You're gonna go from here, and on the Russian twist, you can do a weighted or a just plain twist. You're getting your feet off the ground, leaning back, getting tension in your abs. 1, 2, 6, 10, 11, and 12. Okay? Russian twist, and you're gonna go straight into a shoulder tap plank. All right, let's move that out of the way. You're gonna wanna do 10 taps each side. Straight arm. 1, 2. 6, almost there. 9, 9, one more, 10, and 10. All right, that's the end of your second tricep. So you're gonna rest 60 seconds and then do this again. So as you can tell, I went through a full set of each one. Didn't take long. The rest periods don't have a lot of time. You'll do 2 sets for each, and you're gonna have a tremendous ab workout. You're gonna be able to feel upper and lower abs, all right? Good twisting, rotational stuff for the obliques, the Russian twist, the shoulder tap planks. Really gonna tighten up that core as well. But all right, guys, give this workout a shot. Let me know what you think. Great workout. Again, you can do it 2 or 3 times a week. Make sure you're allowing for a rest day in between. Also, if you are more advanced, you can do a 3rd round. It's not gonna add much time at all. We'll continue to provide great benefits. If you need to start at 1, start at 1 as well. Go according to your fitness and conditioning levels. Make sure you're doing something that's gonna allow you room to progress going forward. But all right, guys, we've also got a free workout for you guys. Make sure you go into the description box, click on the link for the free Ripped After 40 workout. Great workout that comes as part of my awesome Ripped After 40 program. So if you got any questions about any of these exercises, comment below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, give us a thumbs up. And man, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.